This course is common for A319, A320, and A321 because all three aircraft have the same type rating. We will use the A320 as the generic term and occasionally refer to the other two when appropriate. In this presentation, you will see a basic presentation of the A320 family. The A320 family is the most advanced family of single-aisle aircraft in service today, with fly-by-wire flight controls. The A319, A320, A321 are twin-engine subsonic medium-range aircraft. The family offers a choice of two power plants, International Aero engines and CFM International. Let's look at the main dimensions for the A320. The A319 and A321 have exactly the same dimensions, except that the A319 is approximately 3.50 meters, 12 feet, shorter. The A321 is approximately 7 meters, 23 feet, longer. With a maximum takeoff weight of 73.5 tons, 162,000 pounds, the A320 has a range of 2,900 nautical miles as shown above. For the A319, with a maximum takeoff weight of 64 tons, 141,000 pounds, it is 3,000 nautical miles. For the A321, with a maximum takeoff weight of 83 tons, 183,000 pounds, it is 2,700 nautical miles. Here are the typical two-class layouts for the A320 family. The cabin is equipped with a maximum of 145 seats for the A319, 180 seats for the A320, and 220 seats for the A321. The cockpit is equipped with adjustable seats for two crew members, a third occupant seat, and, depending on the configuration, a folding seat for a fourth occupant. Various furnishings and equipment are fitted in the cockpit for the comfort, convenience, and safety of the occupants. The controls of most aircraft systems are located on the overhead panel. The overhead panel is divided into two main sections: a forward section including the system panels, an aft section mainly comprising the circuit breaker panel. The Flight Control Unit, FCU, includes the Electronic Flight Instrument System, FS controls, and is used for control and monitoring of the Auto Flight System, AFS. It is located on the glare shield. The Master Warning and the Master Caution lights are also located on the glare shield. Six interchangeable cathode ray tubes are located on the main instrument panel. Two of them are dedicated to the Electronic Centralized Aircraft Monitoring, ECAM. The others are two primary flight displays, PFDs, and two navigation displays, NDs. Standby instruments and landing gear controls are also located on the main instrument panel. Several control panels are located on the center pedestal as shown on the screen. The main control panels are thrust levers and thrust reverser levers, pitch trim wheels, flaps and slats control, brakes control, MCDUs. The side sticks and nose wheel steering handles are mounted on the side consoles. The side consoles provide documentation stowage, oxygen masks, and communication devices. In normal operation, no lights are illuminated in the cockpit. This is called the lights out philosophy. Most of the illuminated push buttons have two stable positions, pressed in and released out, each position corresponding to a control signal sent to a system. Pressed in, recessed. Normally used system activation, auto or on. Temporarily used system activation, on. System activated for maintenance operation, on, or override. Released out, flush with the panel. System deactivation, off. Manual activation of a system, on. Activation of an alternate system. Some push buttons have only one stable position, released out. When pushed, they send a control signal to the system. The illuminated push button and annunciator lights are of different colors according to their function. In normal operation, only green lights and sometimes blue lights are illuminated. Illuminated push button and annunciator lights example. Light test configuration.